Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Fast podcast. I'm Mike.
And I'm Jessica. Mike, can I ask you something personal?
Sure, go ahead.
When did you first think, I want to learn a new language?
Oh man, probably like 10 years ago. I wanted to learn Spanish.
And when did you actually start?
7 years ago?
Ha, so 3 years of just thinking about it?
Pretty much, yeah. I kept saying someday and when I have time and next month for sure.
And that's exactly why we're doing this episode today. Because 2026 is coming, and I bet so many people are thinking, this is the year I finally become fluent in English.
But thinking isn't enough, right? Dreams don't make you fluent. Practice does.
Exactly. So today we're talking about how to stop dreaming and actually start speaking. No more excuses, no more someday.
This is going to be a wake-up call for a lot of people, in a good way.
I hope so. All right, let's start with the hard truth. Mike, why do people dream about being fluent but never actually practice?
Ooh, tough question. I think it's because dreaming feels good. When you imagine yourself speaking perfect English, having great conversations, impressing people, that feels amazing.
It does. But then reality hits. Actually studying grammar, memorizing vocabulary, making mistakes in front of people, that's uncomfortable.
Yeah, so people stay in the dreaming phase because it's safe. There's no failure in a dream.
Wow, that's deep. But you're right. Dreaming has zero risk, but it also has zero results.
Exactly. And here's the thing. Everyone who's fluent now was once terrible. They made mistakes. They felt embarrassed. They struggled. But they kept going.
So true. I remember when I was learning French, I once accidentally said something super inappropriate at a restaurant because I mixed up 2 words.
Oh no, what happened then?
The waiter just laughed and corrected me. It was mortifying at the time, but now it's just a funny memory.
And I bet you never made that mistake again.
Never. That's the power of actually practicing instead of just studying in your head.
Love that. Okay, so let's talk about how to shift from dreaming to doing. What's step 1?
Step 1 is to make your goal ridiculously small, like embarrassingly small.
Wait, really? I thought we were supposed to dream big.
Dream big, but start small. That's the secret. If your goal is become fluent, that's overwhelming. You don't know where to start.
So instead, you'd say something like, speak English for 5 minutes today?
Exactly. Or even smaller. Say 10 English sentences out loud today.
Okay, I see what you're doing. It's so small that you can't make excuses.
Right. You can't say, I don't have time for 10 sentences. That takes literally 2 minutes.
And once you do those 10 sentences, you've already broken the cycle of just dreaming. You've taken action.
Yes. And here's the cool part. Usually once you start, you do more than you planned. It's getting started that's hard.
That's so true. Like, I'll just practice for 5 minutes often turns into 20 minutes because you're in the flow.
Exactly. The hardest part is always starting. Okay, step 2. Schedule it like a real appointment.
Ooh, I like this. Treat English practice like a doctor's appointment that you can't skip.
Right. If you just say, I'll practice when I have time, you'll never have time.
Because something else always comes up. Work, friends, Netflix.
Yep. Netflix is the dream killer. But if you say every day at 7 p.m. I practice English for 10 minutes, it becomes non-negotiable.
It's on the calendar, it's happening. No discussion.
Exactly. And 10 minutes is nothing. Everyone has 10 minutes.
True. Even the busiest person can find 10 minutes if they really want to.
Which brings us to step 3. Stop saying, "I don't have time," and start saying, "It's not a priority."
Ooh, that's harsh, but I love it.
It sounds harsh, but it's honest. When you say, "I don't have time," you're lying to yourself. You have time. You just spend it on other things.
Right. You have time to scroll social media for 30 minutes, but not 10 minutes for English?
Exactly. So be honest with yourself. If English really matters to you, make it a priority.
And if it doesn't matter that much, that's okay too. But then stop dreaming about it and move on.
Yes, either commit or let it go. Don't stay stuck in the middle, just wishing.
That's powerful advice. Okay, step 4?
Step 4, track your progress, not your perfection.
What do you mean by that?
Don't track how well you did. Track that you did it at all.
So it's not, did I speak perfectly today? It's, did I practice today?
Exactly. Every day you practice, put an X on your calendar. The goal is to not break the chain.
I've heard of this. It's called the Seinfeld Method or something, right?
Yes, Jerry Seinfeld used it for writing jokes. He'd just mark an X every day he wrote, and eventually he had this long chain of X's that he didn't want to break.
So the motivation becomes, I've practiced 15 days in a row. I'm not going to break my streak now.
Exactly. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent.
I love that. Consistency beats perfection every time.
Always. Okay, final step. Step 5. Find your why.
This is important. Why do you want to learn English? And because it's useful isn't a strong enough reason.
Right, you need a personal, emotional reason that actually motivates you.
Like, maybe you want to travel the world and connect with people.
Or get a better job and provide for your family.
Or watch movies without subtitles because you love cinema.
Or make friends from different countries and expand your world.
Whatever it is, that why is what will keep you going when it gets hard.
Because it will get hard. Some days you won't feel like practicing. But if your why is strong enough, you'll do it anyway.
So true. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going.
Love that. Okay, let's recap really quick. 5 steps to stop dreaming and start speaking.
1. Make your goal ridiculously small.
2. Schedule it like a real appointment.
3. Be honest. It's not about time, it's about priority.
4. Track progress, not perfection.
5. Find your emotional why.
And here's the thing. 2026 is almost here. You could spend the whole year dreaming again, or you could look back next December and think, wow, I actually did it.
Which version of yourself do you want to be a year from now?
That's the real question. And the answer starts with what you do today. Not tomorrow, not January 1st, today. So listeners, here's your challenge. Before this episode ends, say 10 English sentences out loud, right now.